Hi guys, this is the HardReset.Info YouTube channel and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on Android 14. So we should first hold the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. To move folder here on the home screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. Okay, as you can see, that's done. If you wanna remove the application from the folder to the home screen, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen. But if you wanna remove it from the folder and from the home screen, you should just hold it and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you will remove only the item and you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. So also you could remove all of the applications with the folder together in one click. Just hold the folder and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.